Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and today we're talking about a new item I've made in the last couple of weeks. It took me a couple of days to make, but yet I haven't been doing every single day, so as you can imagine, the time went by, and after a couple of weeks I finished it, and here it is today. Have a look. So this is Baktus. Baktus in Russian means something similar to scarf and shawl, and it's actually something as beautiful as this. I have finished, as you can see. It looks triangular. As you can see, it's this is the edge. This is also the edge. I've made the handles. The handles are perfectly made. Yes, they are made very well, because I've used the dolly with a special hook, which goes, the cord goes through the center, so the yarn goes through the center, and then the cord comes out of here through this hole downwards, and then you knit all around all the time until you get the desired length, the length that you need for your garment. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful smile. It's quite a lovely little dolly. French knitted, for all those that you don't know what it is. It's a French knitted. As you can see, it's got a plait here in the center, a plait. It's continues until here. This is the bottom part, and as you can see, I've started the actual work, the actual Baktus, from here. So you go from 6 stitches, you end up increasing from side to side until you reach the desired length, to a point that it goes triangular shape to the corners, to the sides like this. Then you end up doing the cord, and that's about done. This is my little froggy, one of my favorite froggies, 3D printed froggy. I hope you like him or her. Maybe it's him. And this is the plait that goes through the center, which is accentuating and elongating the body. If you wear it as other, rather than Baktus, you can wear it as a, let's say, beach wear, some sort of pareo type wear. And I think it's lovely. I love how it turned out. This is the back. I have hidden all the odds and ends, and this is one of those things that I love doing. As you know, my channel is full of interesting things, so please subscribe, please bring your family around and your friends, and let's have fun watching my videos and knit together. thank you very much for coming, for watching, for subscribing, and I send you a lot of love. See you soon in the next video. Bye.